If someone asked you right now to explain your daily life in English, could you do it without stopping to think? I know you struggle with finding the right words when someone asks about your day, but after this video, you will confidently share your daily routine using natural phrases that native speakers actually use. There is one super common mistake almost every English learner makes when talking about their morning, and most teachers never even notice it.
Welcome to English Studio. I am Alex.
And I am Sarah, and today we are going to master daily English conversation for your everyday routine.
This is going to be so useful. Let's get into it. Before we start, if you are learning English and you want videos like this every week, hit subscribe right now.
Yes, and ring the bell so you never miss a lesson. It really helps us. Okay, let's go.
Scenario number 1. It is the very start of the day. Sarah, I always tell people that I wake up at 6, but then I actually leave my bed at 6:30. Is there a better way to say this?
Oh, that is a classic situation. There is actually a big difference between waking up and getting up. To wake up means your eyes open. You're not asleep anymore.
Right. Your eyes open, but you're still in bed.
Exactly. But to get up means you actually move your body out of the bed. You stand up and start your day. The key phrase here is get up. Say it with me. Get up. Get up.
Wow, I love that. Let's practice that right now. Say it with us.
Get up.
Get up. Great. Now you say it.
Perfect.
Wait, Sarah, what is the aha moment here? What is the big mistake people make?
Here it is. Many learners say, I arise at 7 o'clock. Oh no, please don't say that. Arise is way too formal. It sounds like you are in a historical movie. Native speakers just say, I get up. It is simple and it sounds totally natural.
I arise. That sounds like a king. I love it. Okay, scenario number 2. Now we're in the bathroom. We're getting ready. Sarah, I need to clean my teeth. What is the best phrase for this?
We use the phrase brush my teeth. Let's look at that first word, brush. It sounds like brush, brush my teeth. We do this every morning and night.
Oh, I have a question. Do people ever say clean my teeth?
Really good question. Dentists say clean your teeth when they do a professional job, but for your daily routine at home, we always say brush my teeth.
Ah, that makes total sense. Let's do our repetition loop for this phrase. Say it with us.
Brush my teeth.
Brush my teeth. Awesome. Now it's your turn to say it.
Beautiful. You sound great.
So what is the secret inside for this scenario, Sarah?
Here is the aha moment about the word teeth. Remember, one tooth, but two or more teeth. Never say tooths. That is a very common mistake. Also, the th sound at the end of teeth can be tricky. Put your tongue between your teeth and blow a little air. Thief.
Thief. Wow, that's a great tip. My tongue always used to get stuck. Okay, let's move on to scenario number 3, food time, my favorite part of the morning. Sarah, I'm in the kitchen and I'm making coffee and toast. How do we talk about this?
We use the phrase have breakfast. Let's break down that second word. It's not break fast, it's breakfast. Breakfast. Have breakfast.
Wait, hold on. Can I say eat breakfast? I hear people say that too.
Yes, you can. Eat breakfast is totally correct, but native speakers use have breakfast much more often. We use have for all meals. Have breakfast, have lunch, have dinner. It sounds very warm and natural.
Oh, interesting. I usually say eat, so I need to start using have. Let's practice it together. Say it with us.
Have breakfast.
Have breakfast. Superb. Now you try it.
Excellent job.
So, what is the aha moment for breakfast time, Sarah?
Here is a funny cultural thing. In many English-speaking countries, breakfast is very fast during the week. People eat while walking or driving. They might just have a cereal bar or a banana. It's not always a big sit-down meal. So when someone asks, "Do you want to have breakfast?" it might just mean a quick coffee together.
Wow, are you serious? Just a coffee can be breakfast? That's so different from my family meals. Okay, scenario number 4, leaving the house. I'm putting on my shoes and grabbing my keys. Sarah, how do I say that I'm going to my job?
The perfect phrase is go to work. Let's look at the word work. It has a smooth, round sound. Work. Go to work.
Can I say I go to my work with the word my?
Oh, I'm so glad you asked that. No, we do not say go to my work. We just say go to work. The word work acts like a place here, just like school or prison. You say go to school and go to work.
Ah, no, my. Got it. That's a huge mistake I see all the time. Let's practice the correct version. Say it with us.
Go to work.
Go to work. Wonderful. Now you say it out loud.
Perfect. Take your time. You're doing amazing.
What is the aha moment for this one, Sarah?
The big insight here is about pronunciation. The word work looks like it has an O sound, like fork, but it doesn't. It sounds like the ER in her, work. Say it with me. Work. Work. If you pronounce it like thork, people might think you are saying walk.
Whoa, work and walk? That could cause some big confusion at the office. I walk to work or I work to walk. Okay, scenario number 5, the journey. I am on the bus or the train. I'm traveling to the office or school. Sarah, what do we call this time?
This is your commute. The word is commute. Let's break it into syllables. Mute. Commute. As a verb, we say commute to work. It means the journey you make every day between home and your job.
Wow, commute. That is a slightly newer word for some beginners, but it is so common. Let's do the repetition loop so everyone can master it. Say it with us.
Commute to work.
Commute to work. Fantastic. Now you try it.
You are doing so well. This is so useful in real life.
It really is. So Sarah, what is the aha moment for the word commute?
The cool thing about commute is that it can be a verb or a noun. You can say, I commute by train, which is the action. Or you can say, my commute is long, which means the journey itself is long. It's a double-use word.
Oh, nice. A 2-for-1 word. I love saving energy. Okay, scenario number 6, returning home. The day is finishing, and I am walking back through my front door. Sarah, what do we call this phrase?
The phrase is get home. Let's focus on that short word get. Get home. It means to arrive at your house after a long day.
Wait, can I say get to home? Like get to work?
No, this is a super common trap. Home is a special word in English. We do not use the preposition to before it. You say go home, get home, arrive home. Never go to home.
Ah, home is a lonely word. It doesn't like the word to. That is an awesome rule to remember. Let's practice it correctly. Say it with us.
Get home.
Get home. Great, now you repeat it.
You've got this. Brilliant.
And what is the aha moment for getting home?
The insight here is about how native speakers actually say it. When we say get home fast, the T at the end of get almost disappears. It links together. Listen closely. Get home. Get home. It sounds like one word.
Wow, get home. No wonder it is hard to hear in movies sometimes. Okay, scenario number 7, the final part of the routine. Relaxing and ending the day. I'm on the couch, watching television or reading a book. Sarah, how do we describe this evening time?
We use the phrase unwind. This is a beautiful word. Let's look at the pronunciation. Unwind. The I sounds like the word high. Unwind. It means to relax after tension or work.
Unwind. That sounds so peaceful, like opening a tight string.
Exactly. That's literally what it means, like unwinding a ball of string. You're letting go of the stress of the day.
I love that image. Let's practice this gorgeous word together. Say it with us.
Unwind.
Unwind. Beautiful. Now you say it.
Amazing. You should feel proud of your progress today.
So, Sarah, what is the final aha moment for unwinding?
The aha moment is that unwind sounds much more natural and advanced than just saying, I watch TV to relax. Native speakers use it all the time when they talk about their evening routine. You can say, I like to unwind with a good book, or I unwind by listening to music. It shows you have great vocabulary.
Yes, it makes you sound like a pro. Okay, practice time. High energy now. I ask the question and you answer first out loud before Sarah speaks. You've got this. Ready? Question 1. How do you say your eyes open in the morning, but you are still in bed? Go.
Wake up. Remember, your eyes open, but you stay in bed.
Perfect. Question 2. How do you say you are leaving your bed to start the day? Go.
Get up. You move your body out of the bed.
That is exactly right. Question 3. What is the phrase for cleaning your teeth at home? Go.
Brush my teeth. And remember, one tooth, many teeth.
Excellent. Question 4. What is the most common way to talk about eating your first meal of the day? Go.
Have breakfast. We prefer have over eat for meals.
You are killing it. Question 5. How do you say you are traveling to your job? No preposition before work. Go.
Go to work. No my, just go to work.
Brilliant. Question 6. What is that special word that means the daily journey between home and work? It can be a noun or a verb. Go.
Commute or commute to work.
Wow, look at you go. Question 7. How do you say you arrived back at your house? No to allowed. Go.
Get home. Remember, home is a lonely word. No to.
Fantastic. Last one. Question 8. What is that advanced, beautiful word that means to relax and let go of stress in the evening? Go.
Unwind. Just like a tight string opening up.
That was amazing. You did incredible in that fast round. Now let's do a quick power summary to lock these phrases into your brain forever. Sarah, lead the way.
Let's do it. Phrase number 1, wake up.
Eyes open.
Phrase number 2, get up.
Out of bed.
Phrase number 3, brush my teeth.
Clean and fresh.
Phrase number 4, have breakfast.
Yummy morning fuel.
Phrase number 5, go to work.
Heading to the job, no my.
Phrase number 6, commute to work.
The daily travel journey.
Phrase number 7, get home.
Back at the house, no to.
And phrase number 8, unwind.
Ultimate relaxation. Wow, what a stellar summary. You have learned so much useful daily English today.
You really have. I am so proud of your hard work. Learning a language takes time, so please be patient with yourself. You're doing beautifully.
Absolutely. Now it is time for our question of the day. We want to hear from you. What is your morning routine? Tell us in English in the comments below. Keep it simple, just 2 or 3 sentences using the phrases you learned today. For example, I get up at 7, I have breakfast, and then I go to work.
Yes, we read every single comment, and we cannot wait to see your responses. Thank you so much for studying with us today.
You are getting better every single day. Keep practicing, keep pushing yourself, and we'll see you in the next lesson. Bye!
Goodbye, everyone. See you soon.